There are like lots of YouTube channels, they are making these types of contents, and by creating these types of content, they're actually making a lot of money. And in this video, I'll show you how you can create these types of content for free.
In the annals of human history, there are chapters marked by both triumph and tragedy. Among the most haunting tales is that of the plague, a relentless force that has shaped civilizations for centuries. But it was in medieval Europe that the plague would leave its deepest mark. The Black Death, as it came to be known, swept across the continent like a dark cloud, leaving death and despair in its wake.
So the first, we need the script. So for the script, I'm using here ChatGPT. And here's my prompt here. Here you can see that the narrator scene and also the closing scene is like mixed. So we only need the narrator scene. So for that, I'll just comment here again that so now you can see that it has given us the narrator part in paras like this. So in here it was actually in mixed situation, so now it's in clear for us. So this is the script for us. Actually, I made a small script. So for every script, I also need the background. So in here, I'm just commenting at that. So now you can see that it has given us a background scene prompt. So actually we can use this to create the background photo. So now our script is complete. So now the next one, which is we have to create the background images, and for that we are using here Parchance AI. And in this website you don't have to sign up, and it's completely free. You can create as many images as you want. So we'll just take the background images prompts here like this. I'll copy this scene, then I'll just go Parchance AI, then I'll just click here, then I'll just paste. It's so simple. Then in here you can see that I had choose the cinematic style. Yeah, there are like lots of styles, but the cinematic style goes with the best. Then I will go with the shape and I'll choose landscape, and how many photos I want, I'll go with 6. It's completely free and you don't have to think much. Then I will just go here, add effect, and I don't have to just add effect here, and also the rest of the things I don't have to just touch. But in here, add genre, I'll just go with epic fantasy. Then I'll click here, generate. So now you can see that our background image is ready. So what I will do, that I will just choose which one I would like. Then I'll just click here. Then I'll just go with this option, save as. Then I will just choose this. Then just save. And that's how I just download all the photos. So that's how I will create all the images. By the way, you can use these Parchance AI multiple tabs like this. So that's how you don't need much time for that. Actually, you can just do it so easily.
A few inches later.
Now download is fully complete, and I want to just share something with you, that make sure that you downloaded all the images separately, like this one. Like this type is another folder, and this type is on another folder, and this type is on another folder. So actually I just downloaded all the photos not in one single place. I just downloaded all the photos in different paths because it will help me when I will start to edit the videos. So now we need the voice. So for that we use a text to voice generator. For the text to voice generator, I'm in here ttsfree.com. You can see the website. It's a free text to voice generator and you can use this without any sign up. And as I said that the whole process will be free and without any hassle, so that's why I'm choosing this. Also you can go with 11 Labs, but this types of website will be costly and you can't use this for free, so that's why I used ttsfree.com, and this website is super great. So in here you can see that I can change the server like this. So I'll go with TTS server 2, then I will just choose the language which will be like English, United States, US. Then I will choose Christopher here. It's up to you which character you want to choose. There are like lots of characters here which are free. Then also in here you can see that you can actually change the voice pitch. You can increase that, you can decrease that. Also you can adjust voice speed. You can decrease that, also you can increase that. In here I will just give the default here. Then I will just come here in the text section where I will put our script here. So what I'll do, actually in here you can see that this is our script that I said give me only the narrator part in paras. So I'll just convert the script into voice, and not I will just do all the script in once. I'll just do in paras, actually in just part by part. So this is our first part, or this is our first para. Then I'll click here convert now. Then I'll click here download mp3. And that's how I'll do for the rest of the script.
A few moments later.
Make sure, friend, when you will download these audios, you give a numbering order because it's gonna help us when you will edit. So now we have completed the script, the background, and also the background voice. So now the main thing, which is the edit section. So for the edit, I'm using here CapCut. Now go with the new project, then import all the things. Now our images is uploaded. Now I'll just import all the voices. Then I'll choose all in one, open. Then I'll click here. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now I have to just set the photos. For the first one, it was this. If I want to deselect this, I'll just click here, Control, then I'll just click the mouse. That's it. That's how I'll do for the rest of the images. Select everyone, then just Control deselect like this.
Two hours later.
So now we have to do some edits because our video is fully ready. So in here I'll just go with the ratio. The ratio will be 16:9. Okay, so after scanning all the images, you can see that all the images are in like fully settled in 16:9. So right now I'll do some more edits. So I'll just add animations to all the images like this. I'll go with zoom 1, this is super cool. So that's how I will add the zoom on animation to every images.
12 seconds later.
To make this more good, I'll right now go with filters, and if I add a filter it will be more good to look. So I'll go with this one, dark brown. Also you can just go with nightfall. It's up to you like which filter looks best with your video actually. So I'll just click here, then I'll add to everywhere, then I'll just decrease the strength. Yeah, it's actually up to you how it looks good. That's it. So now I will add the caption here to make it more good. Just click here, create.
2,000 years later.
Okay, it's ready. So then I'll just pick a caption template. Then I'll do some little bit edits. So now our video is ready. You can see this. So I'll just suggest you to give it a touch, a professional look. I'll add a logo here like this one. It can be anything. Maybe your channel name is Ancient Stories. So I'll just make it a little bit small. Then I'll set it at the corner. Then I will decrease the opacity. Then after everything, click here export. Then select the frame rate. I will go with 60 fps. Okay, and after that click here export. So my friends, that's how you can make a content like this one for free. And in this tutorial, I try to show you the best that how you can make these types of faceless content actually from the scratch without any costing fee. And the video I made to show you, actually it is a very simple video and I don't have any much ideas on faceless content creation, but I just try to show you. And I guess if you have a good idea on faceless content creation, I'm pretty sure that you can make better than mine. So the thing is that, like, I wanna know the experience of yours in this tutorial. So the comment box is on your hands and I'm waiting for a positive comment from you. And the last thing, if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, because in this channel I'll upload more AI tools related content for you. And yeah, that's it. Peace.